Are you guys looking for a way to trade with free rewards? Then let me show you how to claim and use your features bonus on MEXC to maximize your profits. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to claim and to check your features bonus on the MEXC website. So if you're looking for a step-by-step guide to claiming your bonus using a desktop or a browser, then this tutorial is just for you. I've also made a separate video for the mobile app, so if you're using MEXC on your phone, be sure to check that out as well. Also, I have a giveaway coming up, so just join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box down below, and I'll be posting the mechanics soon. So stay tuned, guys. Now let's dive into the website tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, guys, is to obtain the features bonus on the MEXC website. So the first thing that we're gonna do here is to go to the MEXC official website and then log into your account. And then click on Features M-Day in the top navigation bar. So in my case, guys, I wasn't able to see the Features M-Day on the top navigation bar. So what I did is I searched for Features M-Day in the MEXC website, and I was able to stumble upon this page. So if you guys couldn't navigate the Features M-Day on the top navigation bar, so just search the Features M-Day on the MEXC website. Now, the next thing that we're gonna do is to click Quick Register to join the event. Now, since I have already registered, I was able to join the event already. The next thing we're gonna do is to trade during the event period and then meet the required conditions. And then check the event page after the event ends to see if we have received a features bonus. So the next thing that we're gonna do is to check our feature bonus on the MEXC website. So the first thing that we're gonna do, guys, is to click wallets, which is located at the top right corner of the page. All right. So the next thing that we're gonna do is to click Futures to check if we have received our balance or our feature bonus. Okay, guys, so here are some key things to remember about features bonus. So the bonus is only for features trading, guys. It cannot be withdrawn or transferred. And then you can use it as margin or to offset funding fees and trading fees. And then bonuses have a validity period. Usually it's about 15 days. So make sure to use them before they expire. And any profits made from trading with the bonus can be withdrawn, guys. If you're trading on MEXC, the Futures bonus is a great tool to help you get started without risking your own funds. It's an easy way to maximize your trading potential while taking advantage of platform rewards. So make sure to participate in events like M-Day to earn more bonuses and to improve your trading experience. Also, if you haven't registered to your MEXC account, just click the link in the description box down below to sign up and start trading today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about MEXC Futures bonus. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!